Hey folks, it's Glenn the Ball Chef, and tonight I'm putting together a very delicious vegetable recipe for zucchini squash. I've used this recipe for many years and I'd like to share it with you. I think you'll enjoy it. So without any further ado, let me show you how I put this together. Alright, after you've thoroughly washed your squash, take this big huge Viking knife and cut the ends off of it. Make sure when you buy that squash that it's firm. Don't like squishy squash. No, I don't. So just get a cheese grater and go to work at this bad boy and just shred it off. It's easy. It's not hard. Anybody can do this. But, you know, a lot of people like to slice their squash. I just like doing it this way. I've been doing it for years. And, you know, there's nothing more exciting than watching some bald guy grade squash. But it's all part of the rhythm of making this incredibly healthy dish. And now we go after the second one like a madman. Just cutting that squash on that cheese grater. I like eating my squash this way. It really comes out good. And if you give it a try, I promise you'll enjoy it. Sorry to have to put you through all of this grating process. Oh my God. A lot of work here. But we're getting it. It's going to get done here in a minute. When it's done, we're going to start producing magic. Oh yeah, absolutely. Just about finished here, grating off. There it is. Look at all that. Grated squash. Isn't that exciting? Now, there it is in a nice bowl. You can see what it looks like. You got your zucchini squash. Now, we're going to take 3 cloves of garlic. Take our Viking knife. Put a nice fine chop on that garlic. Oh yeah. Garlic is very healthy for you, you know that. It is a very, very healthy thing to eat. And then, of course, we're going to doll this up with some ginger. And the old man's going to grate off some ginger. Very healthy ingredient. This is health food here. This is serious stuff here. If you want to be healthy and lose the kind of weight that I lose, I eat clean. Not only do I look like Mr. Clean, I eat clean. So, there you go. You got your garlic and you got your ginger. Now here's your lineup here. You got olive oil, salt, black pepper, cayenne for the heat, and of course, olive oil, extra virgin, the garlic, the ginger, and the squash. Okay, so first up, we've got the olive oil in the pan on high. Throw in the garlic. Throw in the ginger. Oh yeah. Don't burn it. Don't burn it. And we're going to give this thing a stir around the block like any pro would do without burning off that garlic, because that's going to kill this whole dish if you do. So now that we've got our garlic and ginger simmering nicely, we're going to throw in a little salt. Not too much. If you want more, you can put it in there. But the cayenne pepper is what really brings this up. Got kiddies, maybe you can leave this out. But for me, I like the little pizzazz of the cayenne. Cayenne, oh yeah. And then the squash has gone in. I think we missed the part about the black pepper, but that is key. And now we're just going to simmer this squash off until it is al dente. I'm going to add a little bit of water. This goes really fast because the squash is so thin. There's the water. Give you a little sauce. And around the block we go, around the block we go. Very, very good. And there is the finished product. Looking really nice, man. And I'm going to take this to tasting tables. This is a great squash recipe. Got to doll it up with a little bit of this A little bit of cheese, a little Parmesan cheese. Day without sunshine. A day without cheese is like a day without sunshine. So we get a little bit of this. Put it into this little tasting dish here. Let's give this a bite. That's good. That's real good. Sitting at a bar one night and see this like 95-year-old guy, he says, talking to some young chick at 9 o'clock. And he says to me, you know, he's talking to this girl, she leaves the bathroom, I guess, or something. And I said, how old are you? He says, oh, I'm 95. And the guy looked like he was about 80. And I said, I don't believe you. I said, I want to see your ID. So he showed it to me. And yeah, he was 95, 9 o'clock, talking to some young chick in a bar. And I said, what's the trick? He said, a couple things. Number one, eat your reds and your greens, like this, and thank your parents. Thanks for stopping by. You're always welcome at the Ball Chef's house. Looking for those subscribers. Like this video if you like it. If you don't, tell me why. Maybe I can make it better. At any rate, without any further ado, thanks for stopping by, and as always, bon appetit.